Hello everyone, welcome to our weekly review. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and click that bell notification button so that you'll be notified of new reviews. I am Troglodidi from Simple Trade, and today I want to walk you through an overview of the current market, a number of stock reviews, and a take on what the future might hold. It is no secret that the OTC have had a couple of pretty rough weeks, with many stocks significantly decreasing in value, while others provided nice runs. But those were hard to find and required considerable amount of knowledge and expertise. I want to take this opportunity and suggest looking into the OTC Oracle course for OTC stocks, which will provide the needed knowledge in order to start and succeed in the market. Let's dive into our first stock then, IGEN. Last Friday, the stock ran 200%. Let's see why. IGEN is a pink current stock with a decent share structure. They are focused in the automotive industry. The company works with wireless carriers and specialized Internet of Things hardware suppliers to create solutions for their customers to better manage and protect their automotive and commercial assets. The company has a number of products, some of which are also being sold on Amazon. Last Friday, the company released news regarding its Medallion GPS product, stating a deal closing with the state. IGEN Networks Corporation secures GSA multiple awards scheduled contract with state and federal governments. From this GSA VA schedule contract status, IGEN will market its Medallion GPS fleet platform initially to counties located in 6 states that include Pennsylvania, Michigan, New York City, New York, Tennessee, and California. Additional states will be added to IGEN's contract status as opportunities grow across the US. These are huge news for the company that will seemingly result in great revenues in the immediate future. That caused a huge run this last Friday. Off to our next stock, OWUV. The stock ran almost 1,000% in the last couple of weeks. Let us understand why. This is yet another pink current stock with a very nice share structure. The company is an investing company seeking profitable business opportunities. The CFO of the company is Karen Courier, the so-no accountant in the OTC who helped many other companies. On the 19th of November, the company released news announcing that it has plans to add 3 new businesses by the end of 2021, meaning by month's end. Over the last quarter, management has positioned themselves to expand upon their holdings in order to add value to both the company and its shareholders. The team has had multiple meetings with entrepreneurs, celebrities, and large shareholders to discuss a wide area of business opportunities. 2 are in the final stages of negotiations, and the 3rd is developing, yet management is confident it will announce 3 acquisitions by December 31, 2021. The first company is in the Metaverse sector, the second in the sports-related business, and the 3rd one is yet to be decided. This news caused the beginning of the rise. Then, a while later, the company announced a new subsidiary, Metaverse Holding Corporation, and stated the following. The company has already purchased land within the sandbox and has intentions of purchasing more real estate within the sandbox and the popular Decentraland Metaverse worlds. The Sandbox and the Decentraland projects, which seems to be the future of landowners in the Metaverse, are concepts that excite many. This caused the immense rise in the stock starting on the 1st of December. Then, after the market closed on Friday, the company released more news. OWUV has been gifted 2 warehouse buildings totaling $3.5 million United States dollars in property value. It will be interesting to see how the story develops here. Off to our next stock, IGEX. The company's price has been fluctuating up and down the past couple of weeks. Let's see why. The stock has been reviewed multiple times in the past. Please refer to the links in the description for the full background story. On the 29th of September, the company updated its description on OTC markets to represent its new direction. IGEX is involved in the lithium and graphene industries. We are actively and diligently working on an imminent merger, as well as the acquisition of attractive industry participants to continue offering our shareholders and investors smart investing, growth, and quick and recurring earning profits thanks to the strong financial support of our preferred shareholders. So now the company is in the lithium industry. Just like was anticipated in our previous videos, the day after, the company tweeted that an important first acquisition will be announced in the next few days. The anticipation is high, and we will soon see what the future holds. To our last stock for today, UAMM. The stock ran more than 200% last week. Let's see why. This is a pink current company with a very nice share structure, which provides solutions in the area of cryptocurrency, blockchain, fintech, DeFi. It is also a holding company seeking to acquire entities that are in similar space. The company was not active for quite some time due to certain issues. It then updated its website and started updating the shareholders as to its future plans. On the 1st of December, the company released its roadmap and plans for the future, in which we see that for this month they plan to launch DEX beta release, launch and list DEX native token on one exchange, launch NFT marketplace beta release, and produce and sell NFTs. The day after, on the 2nd of December, the company released news stating the close release of its DEX, the decentralized cryptocurrency exchange. The exchange will initially list over 100 cryptocurrencies. The company stated that the beta version is due this month, meaning the next week or so. In addition to that, the company is working on the launch of a native DEX coin, which will be listed on at least one exchange this month. So the company says. This huge news of the upcoming release caused the immense rise in value these last days. Exciting times might be ahead. We will see if and when will the company release the news. The OTC, like any market, is a cyclical one, and so anything that goes up will eventually go down, and vice versa. The market already shows positive signs, as many stocks run beautifully on appropriate news. We are in for exciting times. This will be all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned from it. If you have, make sure to subscribe and join our Discord community of Simple Trade. I wish us all a successful trading week. Cheers, folks!